In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for WeChat without scanning a QR code. Signing up for WeChat in 2025 without scanning a QR code can be tricky, since Tencent has made QR verification a key part of reducing spam and fake accounts. However, there are still workarounds if you don't have someone to scan for you. When you open the WeChat app in here and start the sign up process, you'll be asked to register with your mobile number. After filling in your name, region, and password, WeChat usually asks for a security verification step. For many users, this involves scanning a QR code with another existing WeChat account. But sometimes, if you don't have a friend nearby, the app will allow alternative verification methods. These include SMS verification, voice call verification, or sometimes an option to send a request directly to WeChat support team. If you're not shown the alternative methods right away, try the following. 1. Use a different device or reinstall the app, then restart the sign up. WeChat often rotates the type of verification based on region and risk level. 2. Try signing up with a different phone number, preferably one that hasn't been used with WeChat before. Fresh numbers sometimes bypass the QR scan requirement. 3. If you still get stuck, tap on the Unable to Verify or No one to help link that appears during the QR step. This usually directs you to an option for manual verification where WeChat will send you an SMS or allow you to upload details. In some cases, you may need to contact WeChat support directly through their help portal. They'll ask for your phone number and possibly proof of identity to create the account without the QR scan. This way, you can successfully sign up even if you don't have someone nearby to scan for you. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.